In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive quickly and easily. By the end, your notes will be safely stored in the cloud and accessible across your devices, all while staying organized inside your Obsidian vault. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and creating a new folder that will hold your vault. Give it a clear, memorable name so you can spot it easily later. Keep the name simple. Letters, numbers, and dashes work well to avoid any syncing quirks. Now open Obsidian on your desktop. From the Vault chooser, select Open Another Vault, then create New Vault. When Obsidian asks where to put it, browse to the Google Drive folder you just created and select it as the location. If you're using Google Drive for desktop, that folder should appear on your computer like any other local folder. If you only created the folder on the web, make sure it's mirrored locally through the Google Drive app, so Obsidian can actually save files into it. Create the vault, and Obsidian will set up the standard structure inside that Google Drive folder. Give Google Drive a moment to do its work. You'll usually see a syncing indicator from the Drive app. Wait until it finishes before moving on. This helps prevent partial uploads and keeps everything tidy. To confirm it's working, switch back to Google Drive in your browser and refresh the page. You should see your new Vault folder with Obsidian's internal files and any notes you create. A quick way to test is to make a new note in Obsidian, wait a few seconds, then check that it appears online in the same folder. From this point on, changes you make in Obsidian, creating notes, editing text, reorganizing folders, will sync to Google Drive automatically. Sync usually happens within moments, but give it a little time for larger files or slower connections. If you're working on multiple devices, let one machine finish syncing before you start editing on another to avoid conflicts. If you ever go offline, Google Drive for Desktop will queue your changes and upload them as soon as you reconnect. If you don't see your files online, double-check that the Vault is truly inside the Google Drive folder on your computer, that the Drive app is running, and that you've waited for the sync indicator to complete. Refresh the Drive page and try creating a small test note to trigger the sync. And that's it. Your Obsidian Vault is now synced with Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.